everyone, my name is Ellie. I teach sewing and crafts at the library, and today I'm going to show you how to paint a faux pottery or terracotta effect onto a vase. This is a pretty popular DIY online right now, so I wanted to try it out for myself and share it with you guys. So let's get started. For this project you'll need some acrylic paint, baking soda, a bowl to mix your paint in, a clean glass jar or vase, and some paintbrushes. Alright, I put some paper down to protect my desk, and then in my bowl I mixed white paint with some orange and just a little bit of black to give this kind of sandy color. So now I'm going to take my baking soda and I'm just going to slowly add some in and stir it as I go. I don't have an exact amount of baking soda to tell you to use. I think it just depends on how much paint you've mixed and how much texture you want the end product to be. So with just a little bit of baking soda, it's going to give your paint like a matte finish. If you add a little bit more, some like grainy texture might show through. So you still want the paint to look like paint and be runny. If it seems to dry up, you've gone too far. And I'd say start on the lower end of baking soda and then do one coat on your glass, and if you want to add more, you can always just do another layer of paint with a little bit more baking soda. Okay, I'm going to start with this. And then all we're going to do is just paint this onto our glass. Okay, so I'm going to cover my entire jar and then let this dry, and then we can reevaluate how it's looking. My first layer of paint is dry, and you can see just a little bit of texture, which I'm liking, but there's also some parts where the paint ended up being a little bit thinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this a second coat, and I might add just a little bit more baking soda. Alright, so I'm gonna do a third and probably final coat of paint, and as you can see, this is optional, but I added a little more white paint and just barely mixed it in. I'm hoping that this will give kind of some dimension to the color. And for this coat, I'm going to do all my brush strokes going in the same direction. Here's my finished project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!